I am so confused that I don't know what to do. I am depressed, very, very tired. I am lonely and there is no joy. What should I do? I need to be happy. What must I do? I need happiness in my life. Yes. Yes. Okay. Yes. Yes. I know what to do. I need to go on my knees and pray to God. Listen to my prayer, O God, and hear my cry for help. When I am in trouble, don't turn away from me. Listen to me and save me. Save me quickly when I call. You are my hope. Do not abandon me, for my life is in you. Bring joy and happiness upon my life. Amen.